Today you will learn how to use words that you know to figure out new words. For your assignment, you are going to click where it says click here, click on the link that pops up. It will take you to a website called Nearpod, and on this website, it's going to pop up with a screen and it's going to want you to type your name. Here it goes, it's loading. So you're going to type your name in the top. You don't need to type anything in the bottom box. That just says other optional name. So just delete whoever's name is in the box, hit the delete button, type your name, and then once you type your name, you will hit join lesson. And it's going to take you to a matching game. And in this matching game, what you are going to do is you are going to make a match. So if the words have the same parts, they are a match. So all you're going to do is complete the activity and then you are done. So for example, his and is, they both have IS in them. They are a match. Okay, so you're going to look for words that have the same parts in them, like to and do. Both have the oo sound at the end. And once you've made all the matches, you are good to go. That is all your assignment for today. You don't have to complete anything else. Just finish the assignment.